Hello all, Jamie Rodgers here today for Creative Expressions, and we're going to be looking at a top tip called dry stenciling with Pixie Sparkles. Now these are available in 26 different colours across the Pixie Sparkles family. What I've done first of all is I've taken one of my stencils, our lovely poppy stencil, and I've laid it down onto a piece of coconut white card. I'm now taking my Pixie Sparkles and I've got Purple Affair, Pumpkin Patch, Green Bay and Sandstorm, and I'm just tapping these lightly out across the stencil, trying to cover all of the area. Now we're going to be doing a bit of a 2-for-1 technique here, so we do want to cover as much of the stencil as we possibly can. We don't want any gaps in it. I'm now going to mist lightly with water to activate all of those pixies, and I'm going to be very careful in picking up my stencil to make sure that I don't let any puddles go through the stencil or move it about too much. Now I can flip that stencil over, but instead of just washing off them pixies, we can flip that over onto another piece of card using a piece of copier paper and a brayer. A brayer is a really good way to get an even distribution of pressure. And then we can push down on it and we can take a print from our stencil as well. So instead of just washing it away, we've got a lovely background to use as well. This can be used in many formats. It's really fun and easy to do, and it's something that you can experiment with our Pixie Sparkles and try out. All of these products are available at all good Creative Expressions stockists worldwide.